Stick versus upright vacuum. A stick vacuum is a type of upright vacuum, but a more lightweight and less powerful version. Unlike traditional vacuums, a stick vacuum doesn't have a bag to trap debris. Instead, it uses a dirt cup or canister that has to be emptied between uses. Upright vacuums are all-in-one devices of a sort. They stand upright, balancing on the power head/power nozzle, the part that sucks. The power head, dirt container, and handle are all attached as parts of the same unit. Number 1. Suction power. Upright vacuums are built to maximize suction power. Generally speaking, dollar for dollar, an upright vacuum is going to have more suction power than a stick vacuum. However, that is not universal, and there are several things to examine. Number 2. Thick carpet. Thick carpets like shag have long fibers that trap a lot of dust and debris. Over time, this dirt works its way deep into the carpet. Even if you only wait a few days in between vacuuming, chances are your thicker carpet and rugs already have dirt worked down into the base of the fibers. Number 3. Pet hair. Pet hair has this pesky and annoying characteristic of being sticky. Unlike so many other types of debris, pet hair sticks to whatever it falls on: flooring, carpet, furniture, blinds, etc. Again, just like with thick carpet, a powerful vacuum combined with a brush roller is the best combination to pick up pet hair. Number 4. High traffic. High foot traffic brings more dirt and debris than lower foot traffic. This much is obvious. However, unless you want to be making several passes every time you vacuum, you need a strong powered vacuum cleaner to be able to handle the high amount of debris. Number 5. Weight. Weight might not be the first factor you look at when examining a vacuum cleaner, but it can be a very important one. Heavier vacuums are harder to maneuver and harder on your body. They are tough to move around, and even worse to carry up and down stairs. Stick vacuums are convenient, easy to transport and store, and are great for hard floors. Whereas upright vacuums are phenomenal for deep cleans, recommended for carpeted surfaces, and offer more power.